Conquer test anxiety with positive affirmations. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool to help manage test anxiety, especially for big exams like the TOEFL and IELTS. It's all about using affirmations. If you've ever felt nervous before a test, this video is for you. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you repeat them often, and genuinely believe in them, you can start to make positive changes in your life and mindset. For our purposes, they'll be focused on building your confidence for test taking. Our brains have a thing called plasticity, which means they can change and adapt over time. When we constantly feed our minds negative thoughts, we start to believe them. But the good news is, the reverse is also true. By regularly feeding our mind positive affirmations, we can shift our thoughts to a more positive mindset. Over time, as you internalize these affirmations, your anxiety may decrease and your confidence can grow. To be effective, affirmations should be 1. Positive. Focus on what you want to achieve, not what you want to avoid. 2. Present tense. As if it's happening now, like, I am confident, rather than, I will be confident. 3. Personal. Make it about you. 4. Specific. Tailor it to your specific fears or anxieties. Examples. I am well prepared and will perform to the best of my abilities. I trust in my skills and knowledge. Every test is an opportunity to grow, and I embrace it. I remain calm under pressure and use my time wisely. 1. Write them down. Keep them in your study space, on your mirror, or even as a phone wallpaper. 2. Say them aloud. Voice them confidently. Believe in every word you say. 3. Visualize. As you repeat your affirmations, visualize yourself succeeding and feeling calm during the test. 4. Repeat regularly. The more you use them, the more ingrained they will become in your mindset. 5. Combine with other relaxation techniques. Pair affirmations with deep breathing, meditation, or even light stretching to fully ground yourself in the moment. And there we have it. Positive affirmations can be a fantastic tool in your arsenal against test anxiety. Remember, the key is consistency. So, start crafting your own affirmations today, and step into your exams with renewed confidence and positivity. We believe in you, and we hope you'll believe in yourself too. Until next time, happy studying.